taking this Amazon hemp rope, and I'm gonna put 2 rope swings up there. And then me and my son, or maybe me and my wife, are gonna race up it. So I'm gonna stretch this out, double it back, cut it in half. That should be 25 foot each, and that should be plenty. Now I'm going to wrap each end up so all the frayed ends don't come apart and completely splinter out and ruin the rope. I got to tie a couple knots.
Yep. It's
Come
coming.
through?
Yep. Little.
I mean, just a good old few hand lengths. Tie a knot, about 5. Come down again. All right, there you have it. I'm gonna do the other one. No point in videoing that, and I'll catch up to you when I'm done.
Need some gloves?
Huh?
Gloves?
At least I got 2 new climbing ropes.
Maybe you need more, more knots. Go for a swing.